Okay, so some of you have sent me the screenshots, right, related with this problem statement we have seen yesterday. Okay, about this problem statement. So here you want to display this output 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That means 4 number of times by using by using nested for loop. See, and some of you have written a program in this way. Okay, I will write it here. Int I, then I am having for loop. So I is equal to, let's say, 1, and as these are the 4, so I will write I is less than equal to 4. Okay, that is what my termination condition, and here I am going to increment I with 1. Okay, if you check and see, most of what you have did, you have written like this way: print f in bracket 1, here you have given space 2 3 4 and slash n. Okay, so this way most of you have executed the program. Now, if you run, you will get output this way. Okay, but this is not what we expect. हे नकोय आपल्याला. So what you need, either you can do this way, or here you can use %d and then I. That is what it is going to print the value of I. So it will do this. Okay, but now what I want this. Yes, it executed. Now I want this in a, yes, in this way: 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. So what I should do here, I will go and I will write here print f %d slash n. Okay, that means my control will go to next line. Okay, after this my control should go to next line, and then again it iterates. म्हणजे मला काय करायचं आहे, हा लूप परत एक्झिक्यूट करायचा आहे. सो दॅट I will write one more statement here, for loop statement. When I already we have used, I will use here, I will declare first the variable j, initialize the variable j, and I will declare the value of j is equal to 1. Okay, j less than equal to 4, as I want this in 4 number, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 times I want this. So, and here j plus plus. Okay, I will include all those into the body of this for loop. मी सगळे स्टेटमेंट कशामध्ये ऍड करणार, तुमच्या फॉर लूप मध्ये. ओके, and after this I will complete my for loop, and here the program completes. If you run, it prints. समजलंय का? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I have more problem statement. I want to display this as here, here. Okay, so I want to implement a program which display this output. दिसतोय का सगळ्यांना program? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So start doing the program. So I want to write a program to display in first line 1, in second line 2, in third line 3, in fourth line 4. So start doing it. I'm waiting for your response. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So only thing in this program, you need to change the value of this I. Check here. As in this program, the value of I is incremented here, right? I plus plus. Okay. So what it does, when it first run, it will print 1. Then it incremented. It checks the condition. Then it print the updated value of I, that is 2. बरोबर. या लूप मध्ये काय होतं की तुमचं ह्या स्टेटमेंटची व्हॅल्यू काय होती, आय या व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू काय होती, एकनी काय होती, अपडेट होती. सो व्हॉट आय वॉन्ट टू रन द व्हॅल्यू विच विल बी कॉन्स्टंट 4 टाइम्स. मला काय पाहिजे, एक हे मला 4 वेळेस आलेलं पाहिजे. नाव आता हा जो फॉर लूप आहे हा 4 वेळेस एक्झिक्यूट होतोय, बरोबर. सो इथे चेक करा आता आउटर फॉर लूप मध्ये जे इज इक्वल टू 1. नाव व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे इज व्हॉट 1. दिस कंडिशन इज ट्रू. ही कंडिशन ट्रू असेल तर काय होईल, प्रोग्रामचा कंट्रोल या फॉर लूप मध्ये येईल, बरोबर. आणि इथे हा काय होईल, हा लूप 4 वेळेस एक्झिक्यूट होणार आहे. सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ आय, इफ आय राईट जे इज प्रिंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे, मी इथे काय करतोय, व्हॅल्यू जे ची प्रिंट करतोय. इज व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जे इज गोइंग टू बी चेंज. इथे जे ची व्हॅल्यू चेंज होईल का या प्रोग्राम मध्ये? हॅलो, या फॉर लूप मध्ये जे ची व्हॅल्यू चेंज होईल का? हॅलो, हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
So what I told is the value of j here is going to be changed in this for loop. या for loop मध्ये j ची व्हॅल्यू चेंज होईल का? because I have not declared j anywhere, बरोबर. ह्या for loop मध्ये मी j डिक्लेअर केलाय का? नाही. j ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, this condition is true. So now it will print the value of j as 1, and how many times? 4 number of times. And after this, when the value of I is going to be increased by 1, that means up to 5. So when 5 is less than or equal to, if this condition is false, the control will go to next line, that means here. Now it will go and it will update the value of j is what? By 1. That means 1 by 1 plus 1, 2, right? So when the value of j variable will be 2, it checks the condition whether j is less than or equal to 4. Yes, this is true. So now j is having value 2. It come here in the body of for loop. It checks I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 4. Yes, this is true because 1 is less than or equal to 4, and it prints the value. So what is the value of j now? 2. So it will print 2 4 times. Now I am running the program. Okay, समजलंय का तुम्हाला? Hello, hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you going to implement it? इम्प्लिमेंट करून मला स्क्रीनशॉट पाठवता लगेच. हॅलो, 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 हॅलो. Is everyone on the screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
सगळेजण. Okay, I'm getting response from only few students. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes.
good. Okay, now what I want to display. Now I have I changed the pattern now. Okay, I want to display in this way. My output should be like this way. Okay, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Okay, so समजलंय का तुम्हाला प्रोग्राम कसं करायचं आहे? हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you understood this problem statement? I want to implement a program which can display my output in this way. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. समजलंय का काय कसा म्हणजे काय प्रोग्राम करायचा आहे, आउटपुट काय असायला पाहिजे ते? हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
सगळ्यांना समजलंय? सायली भोसले, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so already you have got this output here in the previous slide, right? You already got this output, but what I want, you want only selective of this, right? So where you need to make little change in your program, that you need to think. Okay, and if you really understood, then it will be like very easy to identify where we need to, if you make some changes, how this program will give this output. Okay, so I'm waiting for your response. After your implementation, send me the screenshot. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look at the screen, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I want here, okay, I'm going to explain it now. Check at the screen. Hello, everyone. Are you here
Yes,
on the
sir.
screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now look at this answer. What I am having this as the output of this printf statement, correct? Hello. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will, sorry. Yes. I will remove the /t so that you will find the exact pattern. Okay. This is what the previous example output. Now, what I want, my output should look in this way, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you observe, this is nothing but again the answer of this for loop. Okay, now what happens here? It prints 1 only at 1. Then when after this, that means my result of my this for loop, it should हा फॉर लूप काय झालं पाहिजे, माझं एकदाच एक्झिक्यूट झालं पाहिजे, तरच माझं हे आन्सर येईल, बरोबर का? 1. हॅलो.
Yes.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
त्याच्यानंतर हा फॉर लूप टर्मिनेट झाला पाहिजे आणि त्याच्यानंतर या कंडिशन मध्ये येऊन j इज इक्वल टू 2. व्हेन j इज इक्वल टू 2, इट विल प्रिंट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ j. बरोबर. त्याच्यानंतर हा लूप परत किती वेळेस झाला पाहिजे एक्झिक्यूट? 2दा एक्झिक्यूट झाला पाहिजे, बरोबर का?
Yes.
त्याच्यानंतर परत j ची व्हॅल्यू ज्यावेळेस इन्क्रीमेंट होईल 3. ओके, ज्यावेळेस j ची व्हॅल्यू 3 होईल त्याच्यानंतर हा लूप काय झाला पाहिजे? 3 वेळेस एक्झिक्यूट झाला पाहिजे. ज्यावेळेस ज्या व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू 4 होईल त्यावेळेस हा लूप तुमचा 4 वेळेस एक्झिक्यूट झाला पाहिजे, बरोबर का? तसंच आहे ना आउटपुट मध्ये बघा. आणि ज्यावेळेस
Yes.
j ची व्हॅल्यू 5 होईल त्यावेळेस हा लूप 5 वेळेस एक्झिक्यूट झाला पाहिजे, बरोबर का? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो व्हॉट यू नीड टू डू, हा फॉर लूप जो आहे, हा लूप हा कशावरती डिपेंड झाला पाहिजे? ह्या तुमच्या जे या व्हेरिएबलच्या व्हॅल्यूवरती. जर ज्यावेळेस जे या व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे हा फॉर लूप आता हा डिपेंड कशावरती, व्हेन आय इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 4 या कंडिशन वरती डिपेंड आहे हा फॉर लूप, बरोबर. पण ज्यावेळेस मला हा लूप हा एकदाच कंट्रोल करायचा आहे, एकदाच एक्झिक्यूट करायचा आहे, त्याच्यानंतर 2 वेळेस करायचं आहे, त्याच्यानंतर 3 वेळेस करायचं आहे, त्याच्यानंतर 4 आणि 5, याची व्हॅल्यू कुठून येते तुम्हाला, ह्या जे मधून. सो मी फक्त इथं काय करेल, एक चेंज करेल, इन्स्टेड ऑफ 4 आय विल राईट जे. ओके, नाउ चेक व्हेन आय रन द प्रोग्राम. समजले? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will tell you how it executes. See at the output as well as the program. Now what is the program? J is equal to 1. Okay, so I will do this parallel panels. Okay, J is equal to 1. J is less than or equal to 4. Okay, now what is the condition of J is less than or equal to 4, and what is the value of J? J variable ची value काय आहे आता? 1. Is this condition true? Condition true आहे का false आहे सांगा? Hello.
True.
True, right? So it will enter into this loop. Next statement. So what is next statement? That is again for loop. It will go and check I is equal to 1. Now value of this I variable is 1, less than or equal to J variable. Now what is the value of J variable? 1. बरोबर का? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so value of I variable is 1, value of J variable is also 1, so it is equal to. So again it will go inside this loop and it will execute this statement. Now it will check, it will update the value of I variable, that is 2, म्हणजे 1 plus 1 2. It will check the condition 2 is less than or equal to 1. Is it true or false? Hello.
False.
False, right? So it will not go to the printing the value of J, it will go outside, it will go to the next line. So the pointer will come to this next line before this 2 2. Okay, इथे या साइडला बघा आता राईट हँड साइडला ह्या 2 2 च्या आधी येईल पॉइंटर because of next line. Then again it will move to here, it update the value of J by 1. Now 1 plus 1 2. Okay, it checks the value with this condition whether 2 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, this condition is true. It will go inside this for loop. I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to J. Now what is the value of J? The value of J is 2. What is the value of I? It is 1. So it will execute this statement. What is the value of J? 2. So it prints 2 here. Okay, one time it is printed. Now it increments the value of I with 1. 1 plus 1 2. So 2, again it will check 2 is equal to 2. Yes, this condition is also true, so it will print the value of J, which is 2. It is going to be printed 2 times. Again what is the next step? I plus plus, so it is going to add one more 2 plus 1. So now the value of I variable will be 3. Whether 3 is less than or equal to 2, is it true or false? Hello.
False.
False, correct. So it will go to the next statement, that is print /n. So it will move to here, next line. Okay, in the next line what is happening? Again it will, after this printf statement, again it will check J plus plus. So it increment the value of J with 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 is less than or equal to 4. So again this is true. Now this loop is going to execute 3 times. Similarly, it will go to next line here. After 3, again it will increment the value of J by 1. So 4 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, this condition is also true. It goes inside, and again now here, after this it checks J plus plus. So now J is what? 4. 4 plus 1 5. This condition 5 is less than or equal to 4. This condition is false, so it will not execute it, and the program is terminated. So I got the output up to 4. If I change here up to 5, It will print 5 also. समजलंय का? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
समजलंय प्रोग्राम सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm having one more program for you. Okay, so I don't want my output should display this way. आता जसं आपण केलं तसं नकोय. मला काय पाहिजे ना तिथे 1 2 1 2 3 then 1 2 3 4 then 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, मला आउटपुट हे या टाइप मध्ये दिसायला पाहिजे. Okay, you may give tab or spaces. It depends on you, but I want to display output in this way. समजलंय का तुम्हाला? Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हा, मला आता आउटपुट कुठं कसं पाहिजे? या पॅटर्न मध्ये पाहिजे. ओके, समजला प्रोग्राम तुम्हाला? Okay, so we'll stop now.